Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache Tomcat EE 9.0 from source code in Windows 10 operating system using Apache Maven 3.8.7 and Java 11. So here you can see that I already downloaded Apache Tomcat EE9, TomEE 9.0.0 source code zip file. So I have provided the download link in the description of the video. So this is the directory structure of TomEE 9.0 source code zip file. So here you can see that pom.xml is there. So this is the parent pom, contains a lot of modules and submodules. So go through the pom.xml. Okay, so before proceed to the build, let us see what are the basic settings we need. So I have already installed Apache Maven 3.8.7. So let me share my settings.xml. So here you can see I am pointing to the local Maven repository. So whatever jar file I am downloading, whatever artifact I am downloading will be copied to this local Maven repository. This is my local Maven repository. So all the jar files compiled and installed in this repository. So and also I have appended the Maven bin directory to the Windows path variable already. Okay. Also I have appended Java 11 bin directory to the Windows path variable so that Maven and Java 11 commands will be available in the Windows command line, which will be easy for us to run the build. Okay, now let us proceed to building TomEE 9. So let me go to the source code directory in Windows command line. So this is the command to compile the TomEE 9. So this command I have provided in the description of the video. It's a very lengthy command. So you can see that the building is started. So make sure that you have a fast internet connection in order to download the jar file and artifacts. Yes, so all the build is successful. So I think 117 modules are there in TomEE 9. So everything is successful here. Now let us navigate the data structure. So they have provided one file path where all the binaries were built. Yes, go to the TomEE directory. Under that Apache TomEE target. Yes, you can see that tar.gzip binaries and zip.zip binaries are there for both Windows and Linux environments. So TomEE come with the different flavors. TomEE plus. So this is the TomEE plus zip file. TomEE plum. This is a TomEE plum file. So I think it's coming in 4 flavors. Okay. So TomEE plum is the largest one, so it contains everything. So under TomEE, Apache TomEE target directory, you can find the binaries for Linux and Windows also. So that's all about TomEE 9 source code build. We have successfully built the TomEE 9 in Windows 10.